If you want to know how to go ahead and use Google Gemini for email writing, then this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into gemini.google.com and make sure that you are logged in with a new chat. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the plus icon. This is where you can simply go ahead and click on Canvas right over here. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and write a prompt that is pretty specific. So, for example, write a formal email asking for a deadline extension on the project. And now you can simply go ahead and head into brief, like what kind of formal email are you requesting, are you answering? Also, you can have deadline extension changes. You can also put many different changes in tones, in the words and the characters that have been used, how sophisticated and how complex the words you want to use, and so on. Simply go ahead and click on submit. And as you can see, it will go ahead and do exactly what you asked for. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.